Hi, welcome back to EaseUS channel. Looking to transfer your favorite music from your iPhone to your computer? Today, we'll show you two simple and effective methods. Transferring non-purchased music without iTunes using EaseUS MobiMover and transferring purchased songs with iTunes. Let's dive in. The first method is using EaseUS MobiMover to transfer non-purchased songs from iPhone to computer. First, go to mobi.easeus.com to download this iPhone data transfer software first. Once you install and launch EaseUS MobiMover, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure your iOS device is unlocked and trust the computer if prompted. Click on Browse and Transfer, and all the app data on your iPhone will be displayed here. Select Audio, Music. Choose the songs you want to transfer from your iPhone to your computer, and then click to PC to transfer the songs that you selected from iPhone to computer with one click. Finally, click View Files to review the transferred songs. You can even play the songs on iTunes. Note that this versatile tool not only supports Windows, but also macOS. You can also download this iPhone data transfer tool on your Mac and transfer songs from iPhone to Mac easily. The second method involves using iTunes. Start by installing and launching the iTunes software on your computer. Go to Account, Authorizations, then Authorize this computer. Enter your Apple ID and password. Now, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Again, make sure your iOS device is unlocked and trusted. Next, go to File. Devices. Transfer purchases from your iPhone to sync purchased songs to iTunes. Wait for a moment, then check the transferred songs in Recently Added and download them to save on your computer. Compared to iTunes, using EaseUS MobiMover can enable you to easily transfer your favorite purchased or non-purchased music from your iPhone to your computer. In addition to that, you may also wonder if you can use iCloud syncing or any cloud service to transfer non-purchased music on your iPhone. Unfortunately, no. It's not allowed to sync local MP3 files to iCloud or upload any downloaded songs to Dropbox or other third-party cloud services from your iPhone. You can only upload music from iCloud Drive to other cloud services like Dropbox on your iPhone. If you have any other questions about transferring music from your iPhone, comment below and we're glad for help. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.